Praise be our one infinite creator. We thank you, one infinite creator, for your love. We thank you, one infinite creator, for your light. All is one. Welcome, my sisters and brothers, and blessings. Welcome to the Law of One. Here I share with you conscious channeling of LL Research. Here's a question to the Confederation. Are there people working against you directly, as has been stated by researchers? I am Hatan. There is no possibility of working against us. We are in the service of the creation. We are attempting to serve those who desire our service. We extend our service to all of the creation. We extend our love to all of the creation. This is in no way limited. There is no possibility existing for a portion of this creation to work, as you say, against us, for it is part of us. Questioner, let me state it another way. If I remember correctly, on one of the tapes, you said that a group of people beyond the constellations of Orion, called the Satanians, were responsible for the destruction of Atlantis and Lemuria. I believe the message was from Hatan. I am Hatan. I am with this instrument. There is no concept in the one which spoke for what I tell you. I am aware of your question. There are thoughts in this universe. You think of one thing. Hatan thinks of one thing. Sometimes there is misunderstanding. There are people in this universe. They are infinite. They do many things. They speak to you, you listen. They come to you. Into your consciousness come thoughts. What comes into your consciousness is what you desire. You are limited because of your desire to be limited. Everything that you think is possible if you desire it. Many things have occurred. I am attempting to tell you that there are things that have occurred in your past, as you call it. There are many of the Creator's children who experienced what they desired. These desires are varied. There are activities which you would like to call evil. Is this possible? In a creation that was formed of love, supports what you consider evil? Is this in the creation, or is this in your consciousness? Or are these two things one thing? Questioner, it's as much a part of creation as any other duality. I am Hatan. There are many activities that occur upon the surface of the planet at this time that are considered to be evil. There are groups who express themselves in ways that were never considered by the original thought. The original thought, however, provided for no limits on expression. It is possible, therefore, for any of the Creator's children to express themselves in any manner that they desire. For this reason, throughout the creation, there are individuals and groups expressing themselves in infinite numbers of ways. You, at your present state of understanding, consider some of the expressions to be evil. We consider them to be expressions. We find, for our purpose, certain expressions to be of a more beneficial nature to our own enjoyment than others. There are, however, expressions of an infinite quality and an infinite quantity occurring throughout the creation. We attempt to serve those within the creation who desire our service. They desire our service because they are interested in our concept of truth. We believe that our concept of truth is correct. In our understanding, we know that our concept is correct. There are many who would disagree with what we understand. This is their privilege. There are such groups as the one to which you have referred. They express themselves in a way that we do not desire. And they do not desire our service. We would freely serve them in any way that we could. However, they do not desire this. Therefore, we do not serve. There are groups known as the type which you have mentioned. The concept of Satan, of which you have spoken, is to some extent correct. This concept is as follows. The one known as Satan was interested in experiencing the result of a desire of individualization, a desire for isolation. There are many of the Creator's children who are, at present, desiring isolation. In our understanding, this is not possible. The creation is full of the expressions of the Creator. Isolation is only possible through the creation of illusion. In creating the illusion of isolation and intense individuality, the one known as Satan has experienced his desire. He has attempted to serve others in giving to them the experience of isolation. And many have sought this experience. For this reason, there are many groups who actively seek to experience isolation. This then is occurring and has occurred within the creation. This is a part of the original thought of the creation, that each of the parts might fulfill their desires. I hope that I have been able to act through this instrument to bring to you our understanding of this concept.